How to choose laser cleaning machine. CW laser cleaning vs pulse laser cleaning. We will show you how they works for remove painting on stones. First testing is 300 watts pulse laser cleaning machine. Pulse laser is a short burst of energy, high peak power. It has 3000 watts peak power. This type of laser is used when high peak power required to ablate contaminants, with minimum repeat affected zone on the substrate. You could see the original stolen materials didn't hurt or change color. Pulse laser will be good choice. Second testing is CW laser 3000 watts. CW laser power is continuous wave. It will move fast but stone become a little white. What do you think of the comparison between these two cleaning effects? In conclusion, a pulse laser is more expensive than CW laser, but much bigger, suitable for more demanding customers or harder cleaning works.